What's going on, guys? Got a no cooling call here. Hooked the gauges up. This is 410A and we're definitely low. We got a leaker. And after checking out some things here, I found a leak here on the liquid line. Spray some bubbles on there. It's bubbling up right here on the bottom. There it is. So we got a leak right there on the liquid line. Yeah, I saw the line froze up the other day, so I shut it off, and now we're going to recover the refrigerant and do the repair and vacuum the system and recharge it. So let me get the recovery machine set up. Alright guys, we're recovering, coming down right now. Looks like we've got all the refrigerant out. Now we're going to purge the unit and get the nitrogen, get ready to braise. Our nitrogen flowing. See the little orange ball there is just up off the bottom, which is for braising. And we got our joint all cleaned up here, scuffed it up some. Now getting ready to put some braise to it. Okay, got it all brazed up. Right there it is. It's not the prettiest job, but it'll work. Got a 132 psi through the system. Just sprayed it with some bubble leak detector. And we are good. No leaks. No more bubbles. It's a tight spot there with the armor flex right underneath, and then I got the electrical right there. And it's a tight job, but got it done. No leaks. So now I'm gonna release the nitrogen and we're gonna pull in the vacuum. Okay, we've been pulling a vacuum here for probably about 10 minutes or so, and 520 microns. Don't have my Appion vacuum hoses yet, so right now, yes, I am pulling through the manifold, but it still works. We'll let this get down below 500 and we'll give it a charge. Alright, the vacuum pump's been closed off there at the ball valve for a good 15-20 minutes, and we're holding right at 480 microns. So I'm going to unhook the vacuum pump here and get the refrigerant on the scale, and we'll start charging. See the unit. Factory charge, 69 ounces. So we'll weigh in 69 ounces and then account for the line set, and then we'll try to get our superheat out in. Alright, got our scale zeroed out. Now we're going to weigh in 4 pounds 5 ounces through the liquid side. Okay guys, just went inside, got my wet bulb, my condenser dry bulb out here, vapor pressure and line temp, and it says we are operating at a 17 degree superheat and our target superheat is 15. Not a real big load on the house today. It's only about 60 degrees out, but it's within 2, so plus or minus 3, so we're good to go. Gonna put some new Schrader cores in here, button this thing up, on to the next one. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.